Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatchers channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys these Kiss Gel Fantasy Ready to Wear Nails. I'm starting out with my nails. All I did was shape them up and apply some of my Nail Teaks Formula 3 on my nails. This is the clear nail polish, or the nail treatment, I should say, that I put on my nails before any nail tutorial or just doing nails for myself at home. And I also wear it underneath these false nails as well. It protects my nails, puts a coating over, and it doesn't affect the stickiness of the nail, as you'll see in a moment. So it just looks like a clear coat. And they have different formulas. This one is for brittle nails, I believe. Yeah, for hard, brittle nails. I'm reading it on the side. So it's a great product. You guys check that out. So we're going to move on to the nails that I'm going to be applying. This is the packaging right here. And I always get the short nails because I have to be able to work at the computer, stuff like that. They have them in medium, they have them in long. And you guys possibly have seen these at CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, everywhere. Okay, I think they're even available on Amazon. If so, I'll leave a link for them down below. You get 28 nails inside of a pack. And these boxes of nails come with usually the sticky adhesive that you stick to your hand, or a glue adhesive, and I'm going to show you that. And then on the inside, they have some sticky adhesive that you just stick right down to your nails and apply the nails. You see the instructions are inside of the box. And these nails are like a lifesaver for times when you don't have the time to sit inside of the nail shop for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours sometimes for your favorite nail tech to do your nails. You can just go get any style, any color you want from the drugstore and pop them on. So as you can see, they come with a little file. They come with a little cuticle pusher. And that is actually what the nail looks like. Basically, they're all numbered on the underside, and you're going to figure out which number goes with which nail. As you can see, that nail matches my thumb pretty well. I turn to the side, see if any nail is exposed, and I feel like that's a very good fit. But I also saw a larger nail, and you'll see me put that one on. I'm just trying to see if that one will fit my thumb a little better. You can see that they are a little bigger than the ones I had on. This one looks okay as well, but you can see it's kind of overlapping my skin a little bit. It didn't feel right, so I'm going to go with the first pair. So as each nail has a little tiny number, and my camera couldn't get close enough to show that number, it's very hard to see, but the stickers correspond with the number that's on the back of the nail. So you shouldn't mess it up at all. You're going to pick the correct sticker. And when you peel the stickers off, it's sticky on one side, and then there's a protective film on the other side that you're going to peel off so the nail can stick on. So you're going to see me do that in just a second. All right, so here I'm applying the sticky side. And then I just press it down, make sure the majority of my nail is covered from edge to edge. And then you're going to peel off the protective paper there. And it's hard to see in the video, but I hope you guys saw it. It's going to expose some more stickiness, and that's the part you're going to put the nail on. Make sure you have the right nail for the right sticky guard. And you push it back towards the cuticle. Make sure it's pushed down on each side, and you have your nail on. And guys, these nails last. I am a person that does a lot with my hands. I'm washing dishes, I'm doing all that stuff. I will tell you to protect your hands. Don't be like me. Put on your gloves. But they last a very long time. You can very well get a week and a half, possibly more, out of these nails if you protect your nails. If you're putting on your gloves and everything. I slipped up. Sometimes I usually like to wash dishes and I forget and I just do it and one nail will pop off or whatever, but it takes a while. It'll usually take a few days before that happens. So they're very, very good. The glue works very nice. I did notice that my ring fingernail is actually longer than the nail, but the majority of my nails fit underneath the nails perfectly. So it's up to you. If you have a few nails that might be a little longer than the short nails, go to the medium size. But most of my nails are very short, so the short nails worked out great, but I wasn't about to cut my nails since I'm in a process of letting them grow, especially for nail tutorials and nail videos, because I have a lot of those coming up for 2019. So right here, I'm just trying to find a nail that is going to be a little longer than my own nail. So not too bad, huh? If you guys have tried out these nails before, please leave a comment down below. Let us know what style. I've been looking all over this box trying to find the style, name, or number, because a lot of people have given me compliments on this color, but I'm not sure what it's called or anything. If I find it, I'll put it down below. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, you're going to have to play around with the different shapes and sizes of the nails. If your nail, like mine, just a few of my nails was too long, but to me, it's not too noticeable. I don't think anybody is going to pay too much attention to that. But if you're a stickler for things like that, go for the medium size nails instead of the short. And that's about it. They do have lots and lots of different colors. I'm showing you a few that's like a fuchsia color. Of course, they have the American manicure, the French manicure. They have lots of bedazzled nails with glitter and charms and things on them. So you'll just have to go to the store and check them out for yourself. Also, just wanted you guys to know that I do have some Cyber Kisses merchandise. Yay! So check it out down below. If you want a mug or a shirt, anything like that, feel free. Talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber Kisses. Bye.